Right. Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. In this video, I'll show you how to telnet. Okay, how to use telnet. So telnet is mostly used to check whether the port is open or not. Okay, to check whether the port is opened or not. Right, the port is listening the connections or not. So that is the main usage of the telnet. If you want to use telnet, you have to install telnet client from server manager. Okay, from server manager you have to install telnet client. So usually in the organizations all the servers will be installed, okay, with a telnet client and all. So now you want to check whether port is opened or not, whether the specific port is opened or not, whether it's listening or not. To find it you can use telnet. So how to use telnet? Open command prompt, you can type telnet, okay, and you can type the server name or IP address. Right, you can type server name or IP address, and you can type your port number, which port you want to test it. You want to test SQL Server default instance port number 1433. You want to test it. You can use 1433 port is opened or not. Okay. So if port is opened, you will get a blank screen. If port is not opened, you don't get anything, or sometimes you will get the error also. Let's try telnet IP address or computer name space your particular port number, specific port number which you want to test it. Just hit enter. Now you can see, okay, so could not open connection to the host on port 1433, connection failed. You can see the connection failed means this port is not opened. If port is opened, how it will be, you can see the output as well. Okay, just use your up arrow for the latest command, and I guess 1439 is opened here. So let's try with 1439. Okay, so this time if you just hit enter, you can see telnet is opened, right? A blank screen opened. So that means the port is opened, means, and the port is, this port is 1439 port is listening the communication, listening the connections. Okay, so in this way you can identify whether any particular port is opened or not. So for example, you want to see, okay, you want to see what and all ports are opened. You want to see what and all ports are opened in the particular server, Windows server. You can use netstat -a. You can use netstat -a. Here you can see what and all ports are opened. You can see the port numbers. Just now I used this port number, right? 1439. I don't see 1433 in this list. Okay, so you can see the state is listening, and you can see some of the port number. You can see established. So you can see like this. In case you want to see what and all ports are opened, then you can use netstat -a. Or else you want to see whether one specific port is opened or not, you can use telnet server name or IP address space the particular port. If it just opened a black connection, that means the port is opened. If there is no response, that means the port is not opened. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video.